Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing of a pair of eyeglasses that I bought from this website over here, coolwings.com. Uh, it just arrived today by Blue Dot, and as you can see, the grand total that I paid for was 1,329 after applying all the discounts that were available on this website. This is the first time I'm buying a pair of glasses online. Let's see how they actually are. Let's see as to what they have delivered in terms of quality. There seems to be a seal of some sort. It's a holographic seal. Let's cut it open. Now this is a photochromatic eyeglass. Benefits of buying: you can pause and see what's mentioned over there. Pause the video and see. So it comes with its own sort of cotton bag. Then there is some vouchers, I guess, with all the brands that they provide, and message for you guys from Cool Wings. Dear customer, you can pause the video and see what's written over here. Okay, let's keep this aside and let's see what's inside the box itself. It comes with a nice microfiber cloth, which is absolutely necessary, and it's bubble wrapped so it does not get damaged in transit. That's a nice touch. What else do we have? Please give your new eyeglasses 10 days to adjust to your eyes. That's very true. As I mentioned, these are photochromatic glasses, so if you wear them in direct sunlight, when UV rays get in contact with these lenses, they automatically turn grayish in color. So here are the glasses themselves. If you see, it's quite generic, but given the price, I would say this is okay for the price. Maybe I'll review it once more. Maybe after 10 days I would be able to confirm whether I need to keep these or return these. But by the look of it, for 1,300 rupees, I guess these are quite nice, especially in times when major brands are actually ripping you off in the name of silly marketing campaigns. So I guess this is a good buy. Thank you guys. Please let me know your thoughts on this. Do like, comment and share my video. Goodbye for now.